Welcome to Ohio Motors, Cincinnati's oldest and most trusted buy here, pay here dealership, offering on-the-lot financing with low weekly payments to fit any budget. Take a look at this great pre-owned vehicle deal from Ohio Motors. Like with every Ohio Motors vehicle, our experienced reconditioning and service staff takes pride and extra steps during the rigorous 100-point inspection process to ensure your new vehicle is super clean and safe. We've been helping people just like you for over 60 years drive the vehicle that they need and deserve. If your credit history isn't absolutely spotless, don't worry, our financing experts are here to help you find the perfect solution to get you the money you need for your next car easily. If you're driving a car right now, great! We would like to buy it from you and offer you the maximum amount of money possible so that you can use the trade value to get the car of your dreams. Look, we know you have many choices when buying your next vehicle, which is why we offer honesty, not flattery. We talk straight and not in circles. At Ohio Motors, the customer comes first, not second. That's right, you come number one. We believe in helping you, not selling you. Click the link below for more information on this quality pre-owned vehicle and get pre-approved in minutes from the comfort and convenience of your phone or your computer. We believe that you deserve reliable transportation. Let us here at Ohio Motors show you the difference. Give us a call today or visit us online at ohiomotorsinc.com.